What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK555HYD. This is going to be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with hydraulic brakes. This is going to be for the 5 on 5.5 bolt circle. See right here, this box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it. We got two smaller boxes down in here that'll hold all your parts in while it comes to you. And right here we'll open our smaller boxes. You can see right here we have our True-Ride hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And the way we measure these bolt patterns are from stud to closest stud. This is going to be 3 1/4 inches from center to center. Our races are already pressed in. You can see both sides right there. And we have our hydraulic backing plate with the hydraulic cylinder in it. And the way we tell left hand and right hand on these is this part right here needs to be facing the truck. So these are True-Ride brakes. You can see on the back we already have the connects for the hydraulic lines. And we'll come over here, pull our small parts out. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So with these kits you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we're going to get an inner and an outer bearing for each side. The outer bearings are going to be the L44649 and the inner bearings are going to be the L68149. These bearings, as you can see, the outers are going to pop in right there. The inners are popping right there. And right here we're going to have our seals. You get 2 seals, 1 for each side. You'll just pop these in back here, so you pop your bearing in, put your seal in, just like that. And we're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. Most guys won't send you these cotter pins. We like to make sure you guys get everything you need. So we'll pop the castle nut onto the spindle, pop your cotter pin through, that'll hold it nice and neat. And we're going to get 10 lug nuts right there. We're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason you get 4 is you're going to get 2 with this hole in them and 2 that are solid. The ones with the hole is for the Easy Loop spindle, and the ones without the hole are for just your regular spindles. Your Easy Loop spindles are going to come with your rubber plug and your tang washer, and your tang washers are going to replace your cotter pins. Then we're going to get just your regular spindle grease cap with your regular spindle washer. Then we have over here, we're going to get our mounting hardware. We're going to get 8 studs, 8 nuts, and 8 washers for these. You'll just pop them through, bolt them up to the axle, good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the BK555HYD.